Context routing decides what the agent is allowed to read. Action routing decides what the agent is allowed to do next. That difference matters. Reading a policy is low impact. Updating a ticket, sending an email, creating an invoice, changing a CRM field, opening an approval, or calling a customer workflow can change the business. Production agents do not just answer questions. They draft replies, update records, call APIs, create tasks, trigger automations, request approvals, schedule follow UPS, and sometimes stop a risky action before it happens. If every tool call uses the same route, the agent can duplicate work, touch the wrong record, skip an approval, send a bad message, retry an irreversible action, or create audit evidence that nobody can trust. After MCP connects tools, permissions control actions, memory gives context, evals test behavior, observability traces production, human handoff routes risk, governance owns the fleet, security protects boundaries, cost control limits spend, reliability handles failures, release management ships changes safely, incident response contains outages, scaling handles demand, data quality keeps facts trustworthy, ROI proves value, adoption builds daily use, the operating model ranks the portfolio. The platform gives teams safe build paths, compliance evidence proves controls ran, privacy keeps sensitive data under control, data residency controls where data goes, vendor risk controls who the agent depends on, vendor continuity proves the agent can survive provider failure, model routing chooses the right model, and context routing chooses the right knowledge. The next layer is action routing. Build it in 5 parts. First, classify the action intent. Separate read, draft, recommend, update, send, approve, purchase, delete, and escalate. Add risk tier, side effects, reversibility, customer impact, and whether the action touches live systems. Second, gate tools by policy. The agent should check user role, workflow state, data class, customer contract, region, spend limit, approval rules, and whether the requested tool is allowed in that business process. Third, route to the safe action mode. Use read-only mode for investigation, draft mode for messages, dry run for tool calls, human review for risky changes, direct execution for low-risk work, and delayed execution when the business needs time to cancel. Fourth, validate before execution. Check inputs, target record, duplicate status, idempotency key, approval link, rollback plan, and evidence capture before the tool changes anything. Fifth, monitor action outcomes. Track failed calls, retries, duplicate actions, user overrides, approval delays, rollback events, block tools, and high-risk actions that keep appearing in one workflow. That is the AI Agent Action Routing Autopilot. Classify action intent, gate tools by policy, route to the safe action mode, validate execution, and monitor action outcomes.